How to turn on Bluetooth on your AirPods. So to go and place your AirPods into pairing mode, we first need to make sure both of the AirPods are placed inside of the case. Now you also want to make sure that your case and the AirPods themselves have sufficient charge. Now the first thing we're going to do is just flick open the lid of the AirPods like this. And then we're going to come round to the back and you'll notice this small button. Now you just need to hold this button down for around about 10 to 15 seconds. So you'll see on the front here we can see this blinking white light, and after about 10 to 15 seconds of holding down this button, this is going to change into a kind of amber color, and that's when we can go and release the back button. So once you've released this button, you can then go and close the lid of your AirPods, and then what you can do is go and open up the Bluetooth of whatever device you're trying to connect these AirPods to. So I'll be demonstrating this on my computer, but this will also work on a mobile phone as well. So you can see that the Bluetooth is turned on my computer, and I'm just going to click on add device and then select Bluetooth, and it's going to start scanning for devices. Now whilst it's scanning for devices, just flick open the lid of your AirPods and they should pop up straight away. You can see at the top here the headphones, so you could just go and select them from the list like so, and that's going to connect you to your AirPods, and you can now take the AirPods out of the case and begin using them.